Let's talk about this question. A rectangular swimming pool in the figure shown measures 40 by 60 feet. So the figure is something like this. There is a rectangular pool. So this is the pool, and there is a circular path of uniform width around the four edges. So there is a circular path like this, and the width is uniform. It means that if it is x over here, if it is x over here, then it is x over here as well. The green dimensions are already given. This is 40 by 60. So the perimeter of the rectangle formed by the pool and the surrounding path formed by the pool and the surrounding path, the perimeter of that rectangle is 248 feet. Then we have to determine what is the width of the path. So the perimeter of the rectangle formed by the pool and the surrounding path. So they are talking about the one which is in red. So if this is x, then for the red, the dimensions gotta be this will be 60 plus x plus x. Why x plus x? Because there is an x over here and there is an x over here as well. And likewise, over here as well, this will be 40 actually. This is 40 plus x plus x, 40 plus x plus x, and this is going to be this will be 60 plus x plus x. So this is 60 plus x plus x. This is how it is. All right, so the outside rectangle has a perimeter of 248. It means that twice of 40 plus x length plus width is 60 plus x plus x. That's given as 248. It means that we divide both sides by 2 and simplify the parentheses. That's 100 plus 4x is given as 124. It means that 4x is given as 24. It means that x is given as 6, which is the required width of the pool of the path. Thank you.